Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You should start by verifying your Chromecast model and that the TV HDMI port is free. This matters because settings differ by model. Once powered, plug Chromecast into HDMI and a stable power source. An external adapter prevents intermittent power issues. Make sure your phone or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast. This is essential for discovery. If your router uses separate guest networks, switch to the main network so the device can pair and stream reliably. Open the Google Home app and grant permissions. Bluetooth speeds discovery, and location lets the app find nearby devices. Once the app detects your Chromecast, confirm the on-screen code matches the TV. This prevents accidental pairing with another device. Next, choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password so the Chromecast can access the internet. Select a clear, private SSID to avoid conflicts. Allow it to download and install any firmware updates. This ensures compatibility and fixes known bugs. Now test casting. Open a compatible app or Chrome and tap the cast icon. Select your Chromecast by the name you assigned. If video lags or drops, make sure the router and Chromecast have a clear line of sight. Try 5 GHz for less interference or reduce other network traffic. If the device doesn't appear in the app, reboot router and phone, and if problems persist, perform a factory reset using the Chromecast button. This clears corrupted settings and lets you start the setup fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.